Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is today, Wednesday the 9th of February. It's 5 to 1. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Nice to meet you, mate. It's 18 Celsius, 56% humidity. It's been quite a sunny morning today. It's been really nice, in fact. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use my toilet roll tubes to grow lupins. This is Chelsea mix. This is 2 packets that I sowed several weeks ago now. And I had my heater propagator plugged in, and I thought I'd got it plugged into my thermostat. I didn't have it plugged into my thermostat, so unfortunately, by the time I realised, I'd basically cooked the seeds, which wasn't very good. So I took the lid off, got it away from the heated propagator bench onto a normal bench, and then just hoped and prayed that some would grow. And luckily, I have 4 here, but I noticed this morning that something has been nibbling at them, as you can see there. Few bits in the middle. So I thought what I'd do, I'll show you how I use my toilet roll tubes to pop these on and carry on growing them. When you're in that space, it's brilliant if you've got some toilet roll tubes, because you get 40-45 in there. We're about between 30 and 45, sorry. You save so much space, as you can see. One of these compared to my pots here, and look at the difference. You only get probably 8 of these in a tray, whereas like you get 35-40 of those in a tray. So a big difference. Just want to show you here, these are my berries and cream poppy seeds that are growing really well. So first of all, I'll show you how I go about filling these up. Some people cut the bottoms and fold them like you do in a cut lid on a cardboard box, but what I tend to do is save myself a little time and effort. I like to, first of all, just let's get some compost in there. So I get a handful of compost, and then all I do then is just put an inch or so in, a couple of inches, nice and fluffy, and then get anything round, like cutting off a shovel, spade, the shaft if broke, or anything like that. But this is fine, it's nice and flat and it's nearly round. And once you've done that, you end up with a plug. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty firm, it's going to last you. It only needs to last you while you put it into here. Once it's in your tray and you start growing with it, once it's in your tray and you start growing with it, the plant roots will grow down and they will hold it in there. So yeah, that's how I go about doing it. So yeah, once I've filled all them up, like so, I shall then show you how I go about moving them and potting them on. So I have my lupins here. What I'm going to do is try and get as much root as I can with them. Get anything, a knife, a pen like this, get them up like so. See there, already quite long roots. In fact, I'm pretty pleased with that one. That's got a nice root system there. Just face that away. All you need to do then, spin this around a little bit. Then take a bit of compost out of here. I always overfill them, and then get that root in like so. Then a little bit of compost. You want to fill it to exactly the level it was in the tray. The good thing about using these toilet paper rolls inside the cardboard tubes is they are biodegradable, so you can plant them in your garden. You don't have to mess about taking them out of pots. And they're really good, these, for anything that is a direct sow, because it doesn't like root disturbance. So you can sow them in here, nice warm greenhouse, sow them a little bit earlier than it says, and then you can plant them out. You can pick them up, put them exactly where you want. This is a peat-based compost, by the way. It's got a little bit of feed in, but as soon as these are planted up, I should give them a water and then give them a feed. Get another one out here. Got another good root system there. I'll just take compost out of this one. In like so. Just a little bit round there. You know, like I said, that's the reason cardboard rolls come in so handy. They save a lot of time and space when you're in that space. and like double the height, or 2.5 times the height of what you normally get in the little plastic trays with the modules this size. They're only quite shallow, these are quite deep. So you can get away with growing sweet peas, stuff like that. Yeah, it just saves you a lot of time and a lot of money. Once they're planted up like so, give them a water. When I've watered them, I should put these in a tray of water to let them wick up from the bottom. Leave them in there for half an hour. I shall plant everything up, water it from the top, leave it in the tray, take it out, drain it, and then they will go somewhere in full sun, frost free. I'll start feeding them probably from tomorrow. If you've got any questions on how to grow lupins, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching. Happy sowing, happy growing. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Goodbye, monkey. Thank you very much. Bye.